Hello and welcome to another Victory CNC Plasma Systems how-to video. Today we're going to talk about operating the EdgeConnect CNC with a PowerMax45XP and how to get the most out of your 45XP marking and cutting capability. So let's get started. So we're going to start by looking at the EdgeConnect CNC. As you can see here, we have a file loaded with marking in the center and cutting around the edges. So let's start in the EdgeConnect CNC. As you can see, we have a part loaded with a center mark and an outer edge cut. As you can see, when we hit the start button, the first thing we get is a set up for marking message. So once you get this message for setup for marking, the first thing you want to do, using the amperage selection button, simply turn down your PowerMax to 10 amps. Just rotate the button counterclockwise until the display reads 10. The next thing you want to do is, using the torch disable switch on the torch, slide the switch to where the yellow X is visible, and this will disable your torch. At that time, you can change your consumables from your cutting consumables to your marking consumables, and you're ready to go. So now we go back to our EdgeConnect. We hit OK on after setup for marking, hit the green go button, and now our machine will mark our parts. If you have multiple parts with marking, the machine will mark all of your parts first and then go back and cut your parts. That way you only have to change your consumables and settings one time. So now the machine is ready to cut, and you see it says set up for cutting. Now we do the exact same thing in reverse. We disable our torch. We change to our cutting consumables. We dial our amperage back up to 45 amp on our PowerMax. And then we come back and hit OK and start. And now our machine will move to cutting, and it will cut for us. And that's all there is to it. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to call us at 877-683-6899. Thanks, and we appreciate you using Victory CNC Plasma.